In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft OneDrive. First, let's start by logging into your Microsoft account. It's as simple as heading over to Microsoft's website and entering your login credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to set one up, as it's your first step towards accessing OneDrive and other useful Microsoft applications. Once you're logged in, look for the app launcher in the upper corner. This is your gateway to all Microsoft services. Everything from Outlook to Word is available here. Clicking on this icon will present you with several options. Find OneDrive among these applications and give it a click. This will transport you to your OneDrive homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's clean, intuitive, and designed to keep your files organized. From here, you'll want to click on My Files, where you can view all your stored documents and folders. This is where your uploaded content is easily accessible, organized by date or type, depending on your preference. For those times when you want to relive memories captured in photos, simply click on the Photos option. Here, all your pictures are neatly stored, allowing for quick access whenever you want to view, organize, or share them. Speaking of sharing, OneDrive also offers a Shared section. This is a central hub where you can see all files you've shared with others, as well as items that others have shared with you. It's a great way to keep track of collaborative projects or shared memories. What about deleted files? No worries, there's a Recycle Bin feature for that. If you've accidentally deleted a file, it can be restored from the recycle bin. However, remember that files in the recycle bin are not stored indefinitely, so restore them sooner rather than later, or they might be permanently deleted. Uploading new content to OneDrive is straightforward. Just click the Upload button, allowing you to add files or folders from your device. Its drag and drop functionality makes file management as easy as possible. For sharing your stored files, OneDrive provides options to share via email or by creating a shareable link. This versatility ensures that sharing documents, photos, or presentations is quick and simple, whether you're working remotely or collaborating with colleagues. Additionally, OneDrive can be integrated with other Microsoft applications, allowing you to store files created in programs such as Excel, Word, or PowerPoint directly in the cloud. This seamless integration is perfect for workflow optimization. And finally, for those who prefer working offline, you can sync OneDrive with your computer. This way, files will be available on your desktop, allowing for offline access and automatic synchronization once you're back online. This feature ensures your files are always up to date, no matter where you are. So there you have it, a simple, comprehensive guide to using Microsoft OneDrive. Whether you're storing, sharing, or syncing, OneDrive provides a powerful and flexible way to manage your digital life.